Welcome back guys to another video. In this video today I want to show you exactly how to become a Roadie XD driver. To become a Roadie XD driver, you're gonna need to have a large vehicles. It can be minivan, cargo vans, or a large SUVs. So as a Roadie XD driver, you can earn up to $40 per hour. You can say for one route you can earn up to $200. And some of the route you're gonna do, you're gonna be last 4 to 7 hours long, and you're gonna need equipment. If you really want to do it, please make sure you invest your money to buy a good end truck. Trust me when I say that, because when you start it, you're gonna know exactly what I mean when I say make sure you invest in a good end truck. So if you're willing to do this, let's click apply now. So let's do it. After you click apply now, it's gonna take you right here. It's gonna ask you, do you currently have a Roadie account? So if you do not have one, make sure you go create one by click on no. If you do have a Roadie account, it's just gonna click yes. Me, I already have a Roadie account. I'm just gonna say yes. It's gonna take you to the next question. It's gonna ask you, please enter your first name and last name as it appears in your driver license. You're gonna type your name here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, everything look good, and I click okay. And the third question is gonna ask you, please enter the email associated with your Roadie account. So you're gonna type your email address here. It's gonna go ahead and click okay. Why now? They ask you, or did you hear about the Roadie XD program? So you can click advertisement. You can choose anything you want, but for me, I'm just gonna click advertisement. Fifth question, they please provide your phone number, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap my phone number here. Boom. And after that, I click okay. So now this is the time to put your mailing address. So you need to put your current mailing address. To do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, I finally done. I'm gonna click okay. The seventh question says, so you acknowledge and agree that my participation in Roadie XD and my performance of Roadie XD gigs are subject to Roadie terms and condition. And if you want, you can use the terms, whatever you want to do. So because this is a tutorial, we don't got time to do that. But if you got while you sign up, make sure you read the terms and whatever in the condition. So I'm just gonna click yes. I am at least 25 years old. They just want to make sure you're 25 years old. I'm just gonna say yes. License, I'm just gonna click yes. And right here they're gonna ask you to upload your driver license front. You can see they say front. I'm just gonna do it right now. I got my ready. Okay, I'm just gonna drop this one here. Boom, I'm done. I'm just gonna click okay. And now they're gonna ask you to unload the back of your driver's license. Give me 1 second, or I have this one somewhere. There we go. Everything look good. Now it's time for you to upload a photo of your valid vehicle insurance. You're gonna click okay. Now they want to make sure every image that you unload are proof of a valid and current insurance policy that provide minimum coverage required by law. You're gonna click yes. Now they ask you to unload your vehicle license plate. I got this one somewhere. I'm just gonna drag this one here. I'm just gonna drag it right here like this. Okay, everything look good. I'm just gonna click okay. Now they ask you, please upload a photo of your vehicle associated with your Roadie account. Okay, I got this one ready here. Just gonna drag it, put it right here. Boom. And after that, I'm gonna click OK. So you just want to confirm all the picture that you upload. It's not something you take from the internet. Yeah, this is my personal car. I say yes. They ask you if you're from manufacturer within the last 5 years. Of course, yes. Now they want to make sure list all vehicle makes and model you own. So I own a Toyota RAV4. That's the one I'm gonna use for this. I'm just gonna put a Toyota RAV4. So now they ask you to put a photo that you earn like a in truck. This is what I was talking about in the front. I already have my photo of a truck here. I'm just gonna drag it here. They ask you here, are you open to handling packages weighing up to 200 pounds with the head of your equipment? I'm gonna go ahead and say yes. Of course, I need the job. I cannot say no. If you say no, that means your application probably gonna get denied. You don't want that. Click yes. Are you comfortable driving routes ranging from a little bit as 2 hours as much 7 hours? Of course, yes, because you want money. More hours you work is more money you're gonna make. So just enter an A. But if you are already have a business, you can put the information here. I'm just gonna go ahead put an A like they put it right here. Now they're just gonna ask you to pick up the day you're available, because you're looking for a job. You just want to get in. One thing, the best way to do it, just gonna make sure you're available for the whole week. I'm available in the morning, in afternoon, in evening, anytime. And after that, after you check all the boxes, you're just gonna click OK. Why not they tell you you cannot bring your paint while you deliver for Roadie? You're just gonna click yes. The same thing they tell you for the paint is the same thing they tell you right here. You cannot bring any passenger into your car while you deliver for Roadie. You just gonna click yes. And the question 26, they say if anything happen, they're gonna provide your personal information to law enforcement for any investigation. Just click yes. Right now we're gonna talk about this one here. So when you deliver for Roadie, you have to make sure you are professional. You have to respect the customer, and you cannot wear clothes which is offensive. This is what they say. So in this case, just wear nice clothes, look decent. That's all I can say. Click yes. So right now they say if Roadie find out your photo is fake, they will be permanently deactivate your account. So because this is your picture, you didn't take it from the internet, you're just gonna click yes. I agree to strictly comply with the Roadie TC and any Roadie gig required. I'm just gonna click yes. Otherwise, they're gonna ban your account. You're just gonna click submit. And that's it, guys. This is easy. So make sure you read. So this is a tutorial. I don't got time to read too much, so make sure you read and you understand what they ask you. And that's it. You check your email often, because they're gonna send you more information to your email if you get approved. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. That's it for the video, and tell me which tutorial you want me to do in the next video. Like I tell you, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and I see you in the next video. Peace.